Hello, my name is Alencia Lamb, and this is my video summary for MKT514, Management of Marketing Activities for Module 7, Artificial Intelligence Marketing Transformation. The topics that were discussed in this module are artificial intelligence, uses in marketing, benefits, case study 1, and case study 2. So as the latest craze and obsession, AI or artificial intelligence has taken the world by storm. Being market-oriented, AI can be used to enhance existing products, services, and customer relationships, and it can create new products and services. Commonly used in digital marketing, AI assists with a wide range of tasks such as augmenting human efforts like customer service. The two dimensions of AI are intelligence and standalone, or a part of a broader platform. The different types of intelligence used are task automation and machine learning. So task automation is the basic AI that most companies use that follows simple instructions to perform certain tasks. It is able to help customers with basic information via chat boxes and question forms. So an example of that could be something like Siri. Machine learning, on the other hand, takes large amounts of information to make predictions and decisions. And some of the most common forms of machine learning are predictive typing and autocorrect. The different type of applications are standalone applications, where there are separate entities and it requires an effort to find, and integrated applications, where the algorithm determines the next move. Due to its fast learning nature, AI is predicted to replace roughly 95% of the marketing workforce. With much warranted fear, there are those individuals who reject AI. However, AI will be used alongside marketers to provide optimal content and services. Currently, it is being used for things such as content creation, editing drafts of content, and giving content summaries. With servers like Google Gemini, ChatGPT, and Copilot by Microsoft, AI is able to create content in forms such as written, images, videos, and audio. Some of the basic steps to creating an AI server are collecting a very large amount of data, asking a language model to predict what users want, and repeating this process until you have cohesive content. So now moving on to case study 1. For the case study, how aggressively should a bank pursue AI? I believe that the bank should do a market survey to see what the public thinks of their use of AI. As mentioned in the brief summary above, there are many, like myself, that is very much so skeptical of the use of AI in everyday life. I believe that there should be an option for customers to opt out of their data being used for AI training and their data being shared with such a large server. This allows for them to not cut their human workforce so drastically, as there are individuals who still like human interactions, like myself. The market survey will also allow for them to gauge how successful using AI would be and determine if it is worth the huge investment and sacrifice. Since there seems to be such a rift between Citi and Michael, there should be a sit-down meeting where all concerns and expectations are laid out and discussed. Justice Sastry Durvasavula mentioned they should all make sure that their goals align with one another in order to make the project successful. We all know that everyone will not be able to get everything that they want for this project, but they should try and attempt to take the most important aspects of each other's ideas to create the AI system, instead of basically trying to make it digitally and human forward. Moving on to the second case study. For the case study titled, Should We Deploy a Gen AI Sales Bot? The same thing could be said for this company as well, that was said for the bank. They should conduct a market survey among those companies that they service. Since they've already lost one contact, they should do a temperature check with the other companies to see if they also feel the same way as the lost company, or if they are more so open to allowing AI to basically service them. The main question that is in everyone's mind, should we take that risk, is the biggest question that has to be asked and answered. They should all look at the pros and cons to see if the investment is worth it. They should also try to focus less on trying to be the first company to offer these services and more on making sure that the sales bot is able to function properly and remove as many kinks as possible before offering to their contacts. Genie, having the mindset of act first, fix later, can create more problems than solutions and can cause them to lose major contracts if everything fails due to her mindset. Increased profit and stronger customer relationships should be at the forefront of the project. However, Genie has seemed to stray from the main point. Just as Jim Lisinski mentioned, they should state their desired outcome and work towards that goal before putting out a rushed, half-done sales spot just to say that they were the first to do it. Again, my name is Alencia Lamb, and this is my video summary for MKT514, Management of Marketing Activities for Module 7, Artificial Intelligence Marketing Transformation. Thank you.